Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome sa aming channel. For this video, pupunta kami sa Guagua, Pampanga. We would like to visit the Container Bungalow. So itong place na to actually kasi pwede kang mag-work, mag-relax, and mag-chill at the same time. Or pwede ka lang mag-chill or mag-bakasyon. But ang goal kasi namin ni Joey is we would like to go places where work or pwede tayo mag-work. For those who have privilege working at home, lalo na yung mga VA, yung mga working in the BPO industry na pwedeng mag-work at home. So we are finding places kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-work, mag-chill, mag-relax, and mag-travel at the same time. So samahan nyo kami ni Joey, doon namin sa celebrate yung birthday niya. Let's go!
Fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Hey guys, time check, 6:45 PM. Papunta kami ni Mrs. doon sa pabrika or yung resto na malapit dito sa The Container Bungalow. Walking distance lang siya actually, so kasama siya dito sa compound. Ito kami magdi-dinner, ipapakita din namin sa inyo yung private deck kung saan napakaganda ng place and napaka-cozy. So samahan nyo kami, let's go! We are here at the private deck na kasama dun sa rent ng The Container Bungalow. So as you can see, dito na kami nag-decide mag-dinner. Actually, maganda din yung resto doon, but we opted to be here na, or we opted na dito na lang kumain kasi as you can see, si Mrs. nag-work din yan actually at the same time. So talagang napaka-cozy ng place na to. Tingnan nyo naman, we have our own private deck. And ito yung food namin for tonight. And then, ayan si Mrs. nag-work. Kain tayo guys. Ito nga pala in-order namin. This is crispy adobo and garlic rice. So, hi ka naman, love. Hello, happy birthday. Of course, happy birthday. Kain tayo guys. So guys, we are done with our meals. Ayun, so ubos. Simon, pabalik na kami ni Joey dun sa container. We are back here inside of the container. So birthday ni Joey ngayon. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. So time to relax, watch some Netflix, and matulog. Kasi bukas maaga kami gigising dahil gusto namin mag-breakfast doon sa private deck ulit. Parang ang sarap magkape kasi doon. So bago kami matulog, of course, hindi naman matatapos ang birthday ni Joey kung hindi natin siya re-regaluhan. Diba? So pakita natin yung regalo. Let's go! Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang regalo kay Joey, ang airbrush. Ay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! May airbrush ka na! So finally, si Joey ay may airbrush na. So sa mga gusto magpa-makeup sa kanya, bagong way is yung airbrush. No? Ano masasabi mo, love? Thank you sa sponsor.
Thank you, Kuya Wee.
Big Aaron jacket, of course! Meron na siyang airbrush. Sa mga magpapa-makeup dyan, alam nyo na. Ano pang inihintay nyo? Happy birthday ulit, love. I love you! Makakatulugan ko na lang tong episode or one of the episodes dito. So, good night sa inyo guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! Tignan nyo naman ang ganang kalupit dito sa labas mga tol. Ang ganda, men! Ganda. Baba lang tayo. Tour ko lang kayo saglit dito. So, dun banda merong kainan doon as far as I know. Hindi pa namin napupuntahan ni Joey, maybe later. Kasi ito yung ibang parang mga sweets nila na for rent din. I'm not sure kung ano itsura niyan sa loob, pero most likely maganda din. And then ito yung The Container Bungalow. Nandito yung car sa tapat lang. Diyan lang yung park or parking. So guys, magbabay kami ni Joey. Pupunta kami dun. Hey guys, good morning. On the way kami papunta sa may private deck. Doon kami magbe-breakfast ni Joey. Oh, breakfast is ready. Nandun na yung breakfast mga tol. Inaantay na kami, kakain na lang. Wow! So one of the things na maganda talaga dito is we have the breakfast. Look, sobrang ganda ng place in the morning. So nandito kami ngayon ni Joey para mag-breakfast guys. Look at the location. Napakagandang magkape dito. Sobrang cozy, sobrang peaceful, sobrang relaxing. Ang ganda, men. So dito muna kami tatambay for a while. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. Dito muna kami magkukwentuhan ng mga plano namin sa buhay. So ito yung aming almusal. Wow! Ang sarap naman ng lugaw na to guys. Kompleto siya. We also have bang silog. We also have oranges. And meron of course the tosilog. So sobrang classic. Imagine kumakain kayo niyan with this view right here. Ang sarap magkape, ang sarap humigop ng mainit na kape. So guys, kain tayo. Hey guys, so chill lang tayo dito sa private deck. Tamang tambay lang dito palipas oras. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-almusal actually, pero ang sarap tumambay dito, palipas oras lang muna. Hey guys! So, we are now here at the Container Bungalow. As you can see, nandito ako sa pool ngayon. Sobrang ganda, sobrang spacious, and sobrang cozy. If you really want to relax privately, this is one of the places that you can actually choose. Sobrang ganda kasi itong pool na to, it is inside the container. So walang kahit sino nakakakita sa'yo dito. So you can actually do whatever you want. If you want to relax, if you want to work. We chose this place kasi we have the privilege working at home. So kami ni Mrs. nag-decide kami to find places na pwede kaming mag-work and mag-relax at the same time. Kasi nakakasawa naman laging yung desk mo lang yung kaharap mo, di ba? So we decided na why not travel and work at the same time. So our goal is to find places na kung saan pwede kaming mag-work at pwede kaming mag-relax at the same time. So, we wanna share places as well to you guys. So, para hindi lang kayo nakakulong sa bahay or what. If you want to relax as well, or if you're really having a hard time asking for a vacation leave, why not work while relax at the same time, no? So, if you're trying to find places like that, this is one of the places that you can actually choose. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good one and take care.